So here we are. Today we are going to discuss about polygenic inheritance. Especially we are going to discuss about how to find the number of phenotypes in polygenic inheritance. As we all know, polygenic inheritance is a quantitative inheritance where we could observe a continuous variations in the phenotype, like the height in human beings as well as the skin color in human beings. Okay, so based on the number of alleles involved in this, the phenotype we are getting is going to vary. That's what we are going to discuss here. So how can we simply calculate the number of phenotypes we get in the polygenic inheritance? By using Pascal's triangle. Okay, so if you are a math student, you will be very well aware about Pascal's triangle, where the triangle starts with 1 and the other two sides you are going to write 1. Further you are going to proceed it to the next level, and here now we are going to add these two, write 2 over here, then 1, and it keeps going the same way. So here these two numbers are added and written, again these two are added and written here, 1 over here. So the 1 in the corner is kept in the same way, whether in between the numbers are going to be added from the previous rows and written. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4, and the 1 remains as the same. For the next row, here it is going to be 5, 10, the addition of 4 and 6, again 10, 6 plus 4, again 5, 1 remains the same. So we can keep proceeding this as much as we want. Okay, and yeah, it goes like this. And when you check out the row number, this row number is a 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we check about their polynomials, you could see that this is the result of 0, this is the result of power 1, this is the result of power 2, this is the result of power 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Say for example, if you are having a polynomial a plus b the whole square, when you expand it, you are going to get a squared plus 2ab plus b square, where here and here we have 1 which is not shown, and this 1, 2, 1 is given over here. Okay, so the coefficients of the polynomials can be easily obtained by using Pascal's triangle, which could be true in case of polygenic inheritance. If in polygenic inheritance, a character being controlled by a gene, that means one gene controls the character. If you consider a gene, obviously there are 2 alleles, 2 forms of the gene, so hence the square form, the number 2 row is being used. Say there are 2 genes controlling the character, then how many alleles are there? 4 alleles. Then you have to go to the number row 4. Okay, so 2 genes are controlling the character, that means 4 alleles, which means you have to use this row to find out the phenotypic ratio. The same applies when it comes to 3 gene, that is 6 alleles are present, so you have to check the row number 6 to get the coefficients. So normally while solving the polygenic inheritance, you get the questions about this where one of the ratios are not given and you will be asked to write the ratio. So depending on how many genes are controlling, you can extend this Pascal triangle further and you can find the answer. Thank you.